Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Faizan Razadil. Welcome to this video where I'll be showcasing a secure authentication system built using Spring Boot and MariaDB. And for the front-end part, I have used React.js. In this project, users can register, log in, reset passwords, and stay protected with features like JWT authentication and brute force attack prevention. Let's dive in. These are the tech stack I have used. CSS Bootstrap for styling, backend build using Spring Boot, and database is used MariaDB. These are the key features I have already discussed. Now I'll show you how to set up the Spring Boot project and how to install dependencies using Spring Initializer. Um, we have to open our browser and go to the Spring Initializer and configure the project with these following details. We have to select Java as a language, and Maven is used for to handle dependencies, and the Spring Boot version is selected. And here we have description, name, artifact. We have to enter the name of the project. And for the packaging, I have used jar because it comes with embedded server, and Java version is selected as 17. Here we have to add dependencies. I've already added. After that, we have to click on generate link. It will download the file, and it will download the zip file, and we have to extract that zip file and open the project in our preferred ID. I have used IntelliJ. After that, we can actually verify these dependencies in our pom.xml file. These are the reflected dependencies. Here the Java version is 17, that is correctly reflected, and these are the dependencies. Spring Boot starter data JPA. It provides Spring data JPA support for database interaction. For security purpose, I have used Spring Boot starter security, which adds authentication and authorization using Spring Security. Spring Boot Starter Web. I have used because it supports building web application with Spring MVC architecture. And this is the Spring Boot Starter validation, which enables data validation using Java Bean validation API. These are the dependency for Java Web Tokens, JWT tokens, and these are this is the MariaDB Java client, which is basically used as a driver for database connectivity. Lombok is used to reduce boilerplate code using annotations like getter and setters, etc. These are some more. Java Boot, Spring Boot starter mail is used to send mails to the users for verification purpose. I'll show how it works. And this is for security purpose. And Java Boot starter test is used. It provides testing utilities for Spring Boot application. Now I'll show you how it works. This is the MVC architecture where we have controller, model, DTO, exception, and repository, security, and service. And here we have properties, application properties, where we have the app passwords. Now I'm showing you the PPT. Here I have the architecture overview, which represents a presentation layer, business logic layer, and data layer. This is the HLD high level design diagram component diagram, which represents the main components involved in the authentication module. And this is the database user table, token table, password reset table, and login attempt. I'll show you one by one. This is how components interact with each other. Here, ILLD sequence diagram for sign-up process. Now I'll be showing you the sign-up process in my UI. I'll show you. First, let's register a new user. We have to provide name, email and phone number, and password. It also performs email format validation. And let's show you how it works. If I give it and wants to register, it will show the error dot in the wrong position. Now I have to give a strong password. It denotes it's weak. Now it's strong. Password must contain at least 8 characters, one uppercase, one number, and one special character. And also, no duplicate email prevention is also there. We have to confirm password. I'm clicking to the registry. It will send a verification link. It will send. Please, it says please check your mail to verify your account. Now I'm showing the password is hashed before being stored in the MariaDB. It ensures security. Now I'm showing you the database. Here nothing like Fazan Adil786092 @gmail.com. On refreshing it, it's there. It's not verified because it shows 0 and verification token it's still there. Now we have to verify it. Before login, we have to verify it. I'm checking. Yes, I have received a mail. Yes, email got verified successfully and we can log in to the account. Now, after verification, I am showing you the database. On refreshing, yes, it's verified and verification token is null. Once the email is verified, the user is activated in the system and we can log in. Yes, we are able to log in. Okay, I have to refresh it. Yes, we are successfully logged in. I'll show you the workflow. This is the login process low-level diagram, which shows the component interactions. Uh, I am also showing you the session management thing. We have logged it, right? We have just logged it. Okay, I am logging it again. We have just logged it. I'm showing you the database which stores JWT tokens. Yes, here it is. At 3:45, it's being created for this email ID. Now I'm showing you the PPT I've shown you. Now I'm showing you, these are the layer, MVC architecture, controller layer, service layer, repository, and service layer. I'm showing you the database design for uh, that's storing the user details, where we have these things, these columns. We have email, which is indexed. I have used these annotation at the rate index, um, which is created on the email column. Indexing is done in the email column, where the complexity of a query using an index is typically O of log n. It reduces the complexity from O of n to O of log n for searching purpose. These are the endpoints. I'm showing you the password password reset workflow. I'm showing you that thing. Mm, this is the LLD diagram where we have to click on forget password, and if a user forgets their password, they can reset a password reset link, and a unique token is sent to their mail, and upon clicking it, they can reset their password securely. Let's show you the UI, how it's look like. Forget password. On here we have to give our mail. It will send a reset link. Yes, a password reset link has been sent to your mail. You can check it here. Yes, it's there. Now we can reset our password. Yes, token is verified successfully. Now we can reset our password. Yes, it will redirect to the login page. Yes, I am here, and I am showing you that password reset token. This is the database which stores that passwords. Here nothing is shown because I've already used that. It will delete it after. Now we are able to log in it. After that, I'm showing you to prevent brute force attacks. Uh, like I have used tracking failed login attempts, and there is a cooldown period to unlock those accounts which has been logged. This is the workflow. First, it will check failed attempts. If it's greater than 5, it will lock my account. And if no, it will increment those failed accounts in the database. There is a cooling period also, cooldown period. Uh, After only that, we are able to log in. I'm showing you the UI. First I am showing you the database, how it looks like. Login attempt. This is the database. Here are the columns: email, failed accounts, log time, and logged. I'm showing you how it works. If I give a wrong password, invalid credentials. Now, now we can see the database. After refreshing it, it will show that it has been logged. Yes, my account is being logged, and we can try it after 29 minutes. After refreshing it, it will failed attempt 6, and log time is there. It's locked. We are not able to log in. Now I'm showing you for security purpose. I've already shown that attempt tracking and attempt account logging for brute force attacks. And for the secure user registration workflow, I've used encoder.encode to hash the password before storing it into the database. Mm, Also, I've used uuid.random. It will generate a unique verification token that has been sent via mail for verification purpose. This is the workflow. Here, users submit the registration form. It will first encrypt that password by using password encoder and return the hash password. And after that, it will generate a verification token. It will generate a unique token and save that hash password and token into the database. And on confirmation, on verification, registration successful. Now I'm showing you. And this is the JWT authentication and login implementation. Firstly, we have email and password inputs with validation and that API call, and user lookup email and password verification with bcrypt and JWT generation. In response, JWT token returned to the client and stored in the local storage. This is the workflow. For preventing SQL injection in the project, I have used Spring Data JPA, which automatically handles it. Basically, it automatically converts this into save and parameterized queries automatically. These are the exception handling thing. Global exception. I have some codes in custom exception, and this is the global exception handle where we return response, where we return the response. I can show you that that part, database schema part, like how they are connected. This is the class diagram of database and business logic. This is the user table to store user details, and there is JWT token tables, which holds authentication tokens. I've already shown you. This is the login attempt table, which tracks failed login attempts. This is the password reset token, which manages reset requests. This is the email service, and this is the security console. That's all. Mm. In conclusion, what we achieve is a secure user authentication system and a complete registration flow with email verification, JWT-based stateless authentication, and a comprehensive validation and error handling. That's it. Thank you.